All right, sometimes we like to talk about overhead, margins, your expenditures, your income, what's going out, what's going in. You know, looking at things sometimes can be overwhelming and even stressful, you know? So it's best when you're moving into your practice, into your personal finances, and whatever finances you're talking about, that you have proper overhead and proper margins. You know, perfect example, margin. If you know it takes you 30 minutes to get somewhere, provide yourself 35 minutes, right? That's a time margin. So if you provide time margins, you know that a lot of things in life, they're going to do what? They're going to take longer than you think, and it's a lot of times going to cost a little more than you thought it was going to cost. So watch your overhead when you're moving into projects, moving into things in the practice, or even your personal life. Look at your margin. Relational margins, right? Many times relationships, it's going to take a little more than you thought it was going to take. It's going to take a little more time. So provide proper margins when you're with your relationships, with your spouses, with your team. When you have proper margins, you won't be so stressed out. You won't be overwhelmed. You'll have more peace in your life. So look at your overhead, look at your margins, bring things in a little bit, provide yourself the extra space to get things done. You'll be happier, you'll live in more joy, and you'll definitely be a lot more peaceful.